Good evening, everyone. So, this wait comes to an end. We started Quad Talk concept along with the Quad Talk 2020 registrations, but unfortunately, as you all are aware of the situation of the pandemic, we couldn't conclude the event earlier. So, Quad Talk 20 was scheduled in September last year, but unfortunately, it is still pushed further. So teams register for quarter concept. They worked very hard, and basically it was meant for the fresher teams and the new teams first. But when the situation was not favorable, so we allowed all the teams to participate in the event, and every team participated in the concept event. They did their best, and there were few very new teams also. Those who didn't have any uh, experience at all, so they also performed very well. So today we are here to conclude the event and announce the winner. Mr. Rohan will be taking care of that part, so will not take much of your time. Rohan, over to you.
Thank you, sir. So first of all, welcome everyone to the award ceremony of Quarter Concept. I mean, this is the moment we have all been working for, right, since the past 1 year or so. And this is the moment that we have been waiting for. Now, we all know that during the past year, because of the pandemic, it has been pretty much very difficult for a lot of us to go ahead and work in the colleges. A lot of you would not be having any access to your instrument or your lab, and so the team of ISNI, the organizing committee of ISNI, along with the judges, has brought to you Quarter Concept. Also, I would like to congratulate the teams to for a successful completion of the event, and thank all the judges for the time they have devoted towards this event. And yeah, now, so since the event is being conducted online, it you know how ISNI events are, right? I mean, the last day is just a joyous collection of all the people coming together. There's dance, there's music, and there's just joy around. I mean, you are pretty much very proud of whatever you have worked on, what you've made, and you are proud of the fact that you actually completed the event, and that you were able to bring your cards, bring your quad bikes to the event and compete in the event. So it is pretty much, it is a joyous occasion, to sum it up in a simple sentence. So now, since this is all online and we cannot obviously have dance and music, it would look a bit weird. So I mean, imagining people dancing around in the camera screen, so it would be a bit weird. So uh, what I want you to do is that now, since we are moving towards the award ceremony, I will be going through categories, and I want you to write down in chats who do you think is winning. It could be someone from your team, it could be someone from any other team, it could be your team that is winning. Yeah. So everyone wants their teams to win. Everyone wants their team members to win awards, right? But I mean, there can be cases where you think that they are better than your team, and you want that they get a certain award, or they win something, or yeah, you get the point, right? So please do write down in the chat. It's also okay if you want to unmute yourselves, but then there'll be a bit of a hassle, thoda gadbad ho jayega, and we don't want that. So please, let's keep to the chat boxes, chat box, and please do participate. Because it'll be fun, right? You participating in the award ceremony, it is always fun. Now, in the event, we would have people coming onto the stage. There will be music. They'll be dancing while coming to the stage. But right now, yeah, this is what we have to make do with, and this is what we have here. So come on, let's start with the categories now. So first and foremost, we have the best tech savvy person. Now, who a tech savvy person is someone who is well aware of the technology that is around him, as well as he is able to use and utilize those technologies in your yes, we already have a chat, we already have an answer. That's good, great, thanks. So a tech savvy person is basically someone who is well aware of the technology and how to use the technology. So now, okay, there is a lot of spam for Balaji Murthy. Okay. So there are still answers pouring in. You can, yeah, you can go on. I can wait a minute or so. It's okay. Yeah. So most of them are from technocrats, I think so. The entire team is present and the entire team is participating. That's nice. Please, please, I request all the teams to, yeah, it's okay. Whatever you feel like. Team Brahmastra. Right. So, okay. Let them come in. Let them come in. It's nice. I mean, I just feel so good, if this was currently, if we were on in the event right now, live event, this would have been so much fun.
Yeah, people shouting from the background. Yes,
Yes,
Rohan,
yes,
Rohan.
yes. This would have been fun. Yes. So now I think so. I should move ahead with announcing who the winner is. So the award for the best tech savvy person for Quad concept this year goes to we have from Team Technocrats Balaji Murthy. Congratulations to the winner. Yeah, Balaji, where is it? Congrats,
Bala,
congrats.
unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Your team is quite overjoyed, it seems. All of them have written it,
Very much, sir. Very much, sir.
and you yourself are very much ecstatic.
I am
I can
very,
see.
very much.
So,
Yeah.
were you expecting this, Bala?
Uh, uh, yeah, really, really excited. I'm over right now. It's like really shaking right now. I'm so happy, and I have to say that I couldn't have done it without my team. Like, I mean, Bogus. I guess. Oh my God. Yeah. thank
He's
you so much
overflowing
for
with the
the award.
emotions. Yeah, we can understand
really,
that.
really
We have
happy.
all gone through that.
A lot.
Exactly.
I'm really, really happy. Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay. So we just hope there is a lot more coming for you in the future. Not right now, but even next year you'll be participating, right? So now the next category that we have is for the best female participant, and we usually have this capacity, this category to to promote the participation of girls in what do we say basically to promote the participation of females in motorsports event, as we already know that there are very few girls who actually choose to participate, and so to give to celebrate the enthusiasm of all of them who are participating, so we have kept this award for the best female participant. And do you have any suggestions, teams? Okay, Team Technocrats is already writing. The rest of the teams, they don't have any expectations. I think what is happening? Come on, teams. Yes, nice.
Yeah, we got one more.
Yeah. So there are two names now. Techno is the best. Yeah, sure. Okay. So now I think okay, there are more coming in. So let them come in. Yeah, go on. We can see like two names over here. That's it. They are the only two names that are being spammed right now. And yeah, that's it. Again, those two, the same two names are coming up again and again and again. So yeah, moving ahead with the award. So the award for the best female participant goes to Miss Anushka Moharir from Team Kratos. Is she present right now? She can turn her camera on.
Yeah, actually, thank you. Actually, I did not expect this at all. I'm shocked myself. So I would like to thank you all, and it was a great experience. That's all.
Yeah. So uh, that is Anushka, everyone, and congratulations Anushka for this award. And moving on to the next category, we have the best captain award. So now we all know who a captain is, right? He's basically the anchor of the team. He holds the team together. He works for the team. He works with the team, and his job is not only to be working for the team or telling you do this, do that. His job is to actually work with you. If anything needs to be done, he has to guide the team. He has to prepare your juniors, right? So what I always feel is that the captain is the one anchor that holds the team down always, and pretty much there's a lot of contribution of a captain to the team. So we already have suggestions pouring in. People are, I mean, people are literally spamming names right now, and yes. They are still coming. Okay. Now at this moment, I'm sure during the event, people must have burst out shouting.
Yeah,
And-
we all can, I think, imagine that what's happening in the background. Then people realizing, okay, this is what happens in the main event when
Yeah.
this goes. Yes,
Yeah,
you're
just that
right.
just that they are actually shouting this, and it is very much fun. It is fun.
Right. And one major missing at this point of time is we all are so exhausted, and the dirt comes onto us. It leaves the track actually, and it all
Right.
comes onto us.
Right.
So
Yeah. Even after being that exhausted, we are all in a mood to like dance.
right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's the main highlight of the event. That is like the highlight. Even though we may win, some teams may win, some may not. But one thing is for sure that every one of them enjoys.
So
Right. That's
is
the point.
is everyone wishing to, I mean, willing to fire the exhaust? The- or if you are missing spraying the fire extinguishers.
Fire extinguishers, yes. Uh, Fire extinguishers for sure.
Yeah, I remember it from Team Brahmastra, and they always do that. Almost every team do.
Yeah.
So shall we go ahead?
Yeah, yes, sir. So now let me announce. Yeah, people are gonna keep spamming. Thank you. एक बार में 7-8 बार लिख रहे हैं भाई, क्या बात है, बहुत जोश है यार, ऐसा ही जोश होना चाहिए भाई.
Yes,
So
we
now
should
the award-
appreciate.
Yeah. So now the event, the prize for the best captain goes to Mr. Shivam Pawar from Team Urja. Come on, where is he?
Yes, congratulations,
Thank you so much, sir.
Shivam.
Congratulations. And I hope your team feels the same way, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, thank you, sir.
Your team is literally spamming your name right now. You must be able to see. Anuj
Yes,
Singh
I
is
can see that.
Anuj Singh seems he looks like a fan.
Okay, can you tell us your journey of being a captain of this team? You had an entire different career a year ago. So because you were from GKDC, now you are a star in Quad Talk. So how does that feel?
Actually, ISNI has really provided a great platform for us, and not only that, it helps us grow in every aspect. Like not only the technical aspect, but also like leading the team, being a team member, being a team player. That's for everybody, right? The other thing is that the last event that we went to, GKDC, the organization was very good, and also it's not just about the event and it's not just about winning, but the main thing is that the bond that you create with the team, that is the main thing. Once the bond is good, then you start working, your team starts working, and you enjoy your work. So basically that is what sums up my journey with Team Urja. This is my final year and I couldn't have got a better farewell than this. So a very big thanks to you, Umesh sir, and also others present here. Uh, I cannot express this in words right now. uh, have sacrificed a lot. Not only one team. I'm currently working with 3 teams, and I'm really happy for this. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, congratulations, Shivam. And
Yes.
I'm sure not only these 3 people who have right now won these awards, but I'm very much sure that all the members of all the teams have worked very hard for this. And
Yes, sir.
I'm sure, I mean, right now or maybe in the future, all this is going to come back and it is going to help you ahead. That I'm pretty much sure of.
I just forgot one thing. I
Yeah.
forgot to mention Akshat sir. Actually, we were on a seesaw if he wanted to participate in the concept event or not. He motivated us to participate in this one just to get our basics clear, because obviously this is the first time for Quad Talk, and it has really been helpful for us. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, a big round of applause for Akshat sir, please.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yes, now moving on to the categories, to the more event related categories, let us say that we now have the category for the best business plan. Okay, so I want you to write down the suggestions for the best business plan. We all know what a business plan is, right? So for the new teams, let me just refresh it. It is an event where you present your idea, basically a business idea, considering the judges as your investors, as your potential investors, and you are expected to tell them what you expect of them, what kind of investment you need, or what kind of help do you need from them. So yes, the spamming has started already. Team Technocrats. Who else? Brahmastra is there, yeah.
People are still writing the names for the captain, I guess. Rohan, unmute yourself, please.
Sorry. Yeah, बीच में थोड़ा हो रहा है सर, but ठीक है. थोड़ा फील में आ रहे हैं सब लोग.
Yes, right. It happens in the physical event also.
Yeah. Okay. So now let us move on with the category, and now the award for the best business plan goes to Team Technocrats. Team Technocrats, come on, put yourselves on the camera. Yes, congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, guys.
Wonderful. Shashwat Salian is very much excited. So is Suraj Mishra. Nice. Okay, so now shall we move on to the next category?
Yes, please.
This is a bit important one. This has been scrutinized by Umesh sir himself, and I think so he has pretty much grilled all of you in terms of your designs. So now the next category is for the best design, and Siddharth Naik already said it. Team Technocrats is writing in the chat. Come on, this is not.
Where did you get these datas from?
Team Brahmastra is pouring in. Okay, Urja is here. Kratos, nice. Okay. Calm down, boys. Calm down, guys. Shanti. So now the award for the best design goes to Team Technocrats. Congratulations, Balaji.
Bala, unmute yourself, Bala. Please don't laugh. It seems very, awkward here to have you laughing on the screen, but can't hear you.
No, guys, unmute yourself, guys, of the team. We won.
Yes, please.
Come on, Abhinav. Hardik, come on, yaar.
Yes.
Finally. Come on.
Congrats, guys. Congrats.
मेहनत यार. Congrats.
Thank you.
Yes, right.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
We came before we won it.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, baap re.
They're missing the prize wishes.
Ah,
Yes, we all are missing the prize distribution, obviously.
absolutely.
Yeah. So, congratulations to Team Technocrats. Now, moving on to the next two categories, the final two categories. Nilesh, mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance coming from you. Guys, mute yourselves, please. Hello. All right, now Jot. Thank you. Yeah, so moving on to the next category. Now we have the final two categories left, which are the runner-up. This is what you have been waiting for, right? This is what you have been working for since the past 5, 6, 7, I don't know how many months. But this is it. This is what you have been waiting for. So now we need to announce the runner-up. And I need suggestions. Come on. We are going to wait for a long time for this one. Let all of them pour in for the runner-ups. Come on, Team Technocrats. जीत गया तो गया लगता है. Show your enthusiasm. What is this?
Sir, we are not here for runner-up, sir. We are here to win.
Oh.
Okay,
That's deep.
okay. So, but comment तो कर सकते हो ना थोड़ा. खुद की टीम को ही hype
Yes,
करो.
sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Come on, you gotta hype yourself, dude. No one else is gonna do it for you. तुमको ही खुद को hype करना है.
So I guess the runner-up is not expecting that they are gonna be the runner-up.
Yeah, I know.
Sir.
Come on. Techno is here to win. Prajakta. Nice. Everyone comes here to win. Okay, so now I think we should be announcing the runner-up. And the runner-up for Quad Torque concept for this year are Team Urja.
Whoa. Great. Congratulations, team.
Congratulations, Team Urja. Where is your team?
Where is your team?
Where are the rest of them? Come on, turn on your cameras.
Unmute yourself. Guys, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So I guess Shivam is the only one. Oh, we
Yeah,
have Aryan
don't-
also.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, come on the front then.
धीरे-धीरे आ रहे हैं सब लोग.
Yes.
धीरे-धीरे आ रहे हैं. उनके दिमाग में अभी भी म्यूजिक चल रहा है सर. वो नाचते नाचते आ रहे हैं. पहुंच रहे हैं.
हाँ, थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है स्टेज पे आने में.
टाइम लग जाता है थोड़ा सा. वो नाचते नाचते आएंगे आराम से.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And I think so इतने ही है आपकी टीम के यहाँ पे. So congratulations Team Urja.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
And
much.
now,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again. And now moving on towards the final award of the day, the championship
Thank you, sir.
for Quad Torque concept. Technocrats and Brahmastra only I can see. Okay, Kratos has come. I can really imagine the team shouting right now. Shouting
Yeah.
their voices.
My
off.
ears are also buzzing like
Yeah,
that
yeah.
only.
Technocrats and where are the others? Brahmastra.
You know,
Brahmastra and Technocrats are like full form में आ रहे हैं sir.
At this moment, I used to hold a trophy, but लोग इतना भीड़ कर लेते कि ट्रॉफी लेने वाला ही गायब हो जाता है. अरे भाई ये लेनी है कि नहीं लेनी है? He is somewhere hidden in the crowd and he doesn't get any place.
वहाँ से
So
अरे भाई साइड बना करके आ रहा है. Okay. Brahmastra Technocrats. Where are the rest of them? Okay. Nice. Enough of spamming now. Let's announce the champions for Quad Torque concept. And the champions for Quad Torque concept for this year are Team Technocrats.
Yes!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Bala is so ecstatic. I mean, he is out of his bounds. He cannot control himself.
What can I say? Really happy for our team. We worked so much. So बहुत मेहनत की हम लोग ने.
I told you what I told you. I mean, you could understand from my words that day only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. It was so great.
So it seriously had been a great presentation from you guys. I mean, implementing the words so seriously and so precisely, this is not usually what we see. I mean, what we recommend teams, they just in front of us say, okay, yeah, we understand and we will definitely try to work upon them. But later, when we see the other team, I mean the juniors, when they are coming the next time, these communications are so missed. I mean, whatever we communicated to the last team isn't transferred to the new team. So this is what makes a team winner. You communicated with your team so well that every information is so efficiently passed on to them. So I'm really happy for you guys, and yes, as I saw, I see here it also. उस दिन भी मुझे लगा था कि
thank you so much, sir. हाँ, sir.
मुझे मतलब सारी presentations में I haven't been, but I personally felt that you could be the potential winner that day. So I praised you that day also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm really happy for you guys. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best for the next process.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Captain
Yes,
It's all about team, sir. It's all about team. It's all about team.
We want speech, Hardik.
We want a victory, sir.
Come on, you can have a speech right now.
And unfortunately, Hardik is, I mean, we are recording this session, but Hardik को ना वो cover कर लिया है comments ने, तो Hardik दिख नहीं रहा है, सिर्फ Hardik को सुन सकते हैं.
Sir, it's all about teamwork, sir. Teamwork and great team, great support from guys. And sir, अभी words नहीं है, sir. अभी मत पूछो, sir. चाहिए तो recording भेज दूँगा. अभी मत.
नहीं तो फिर कैसे चलेगा? अभी ऐसे तो नहीं चलता ना. अभी हम भी बोले कि words नहीं है भाई. Next year announce करेंगे champion ना.
Sir, काफी excited थे event के लिए. Sir, पहले से काफी excited है. Last year हम लोग जब आए थे, हम लोग ये सोच के गए थे, हम लोग जो लोग जूनियर्स आए थे कि सर जाना है नेक्स्ट ईयर तो जीत के आना है बस. तो सर वही उसी ने हम लोग को मोटिवेट किया सर. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन, टीम्स एंड एवरी टीम, ब्रह्मास्त्र आल्सो, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, ऑल द बेस्ट एवरी टीम फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Yes, guys. So winner is just a facilitation. I mean, we just recognize one winner. So these sort of events cannot be concluded with a winner only. I mean, everyone here is a winner if they have learned anything. If we have been able to provide you even 10%, 20% or 30% of our knowledge, then we consider you as a winner. You Technocrat are just just the front face of the event now. So rest all of you, I won't say that, I mean, you're not the winners, you're also winner, but you need to work hard for the future events so that you also can be recognized like Team Technocrats, Team Urja and others. So all the best from my side. Akshat and team will be coordinating with the other details. Rohan, you have been so great for this ceremony. Without you, it would have been, yes, I was, looking for the event and you recreated those moments here. So I think जितने भी लोग मेन इवेंट में कभी आए हैं ना, तो उन सब के दिमाग में वो म्यूजिक चल रहा होगा.
Yes. अभी तो सर वो क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सटिंग्विशर उड़ा के नाच रहे थे.
अभी ये चल रहा होता.
और एक फाइनल एक फोटो रहता था बस. सब टीम्स को एक साथ करके फोटो होता था.
Right.
So now that we have come to the end of it, Akshat sir, would you like to say something?
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you, Mr. Before concluding this session, I would love to announce one more concept design challenge for which registration will start from 5th of next month, 5th of April, and that is Bombi concept. That is a Formula Off-Road Mini Baja India concept design challenge, and further detail will be provided to you all. So be in touch and try to motivate others, try to motivate your juniors. And with this, I would like to conclude this session. Thank you so much, guys, and congratulations, everybody. Thank you.
Also, I would like to add one thing. So before leaving, please, all of you, please give a big round of applause for Umesh sir, Akshat sir, Karan bhai, Harsh, and everyone who has been working, endlessly to bring this event to you.
And for Rohan too.
Thank you, sir. Also give yourselves a pat on the back, because you have done it and you have made it through. And this was the event you have been working for, like the last half or the most of the year, right? Including all the pandemic, and maybe from before you have been working on it. So please give yourselves first a pat on the back. And congratulations to the winner.